everyone. Welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we are going to open another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar box. This is present number 22. It's fairly sizable. It's got something harder down here, something pliable. I'm hoping fabric. That would be really cool. Let's look at this. This is present number 22. And I'm betting you're as sad as I am too that this is almost over. This has been a lot of fun. I look forward to doing this every day with you, and I hope you have enjoyed it as well. We've got a few more days left, but it's almost over, and I don't want it to be over. So let's go ahead and let's have fun now, and let's open present number 22. I'm not going to get the sticker all the way off on this one. No, don't tear the wrapping. Okay, here we go. Because I love this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to have to get creative. But I love this paper, so I'm going to save it until I can figure out something that I want to do. Any suggestions? Put it in the comments below. We have a couple items in here. Oh, we have a couple items. Yes, we do. All right, anything else? Double check. It's all empty. Okay, this is present 22. Ah, that's the pin I was feeling. All right, this is cool. This is Monogram Accessories Felt Kit. There we go. So we can do like a sunglass case and some corners for the books. That's all right. Look at that. And these are Hometown Leatherworks. Oh, these are the corners already pre-punched. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here. Pardon the crinkle. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over. Boom, boom, boom. And I thought it was a pen, but let's see. This is Monogram Felt Accessories Kit. 7-inch, 3.5-inch, and a 2.5-inch square. There we go. And so we're looking at, let's pull this out. We're looking at very sturdy 10 by 10 sheet of gray felt. This is not your standard felt. This is very thick, very sturdy, which I think would be great for this type of project. So we've got the felt. We have stencils. Oh, these are fun. Let's look at the stencils. Again, pardon the crinkle. More crinkle. All right. So I'll leave that one in there. We have a large stencil, which is going to be for the eyeglass case. For these flowers that are right there. That's cool. So this is the eyeglass case and or bookmark. You can make a bookmark out of it. So this is what this must be for. This is a white chalk mechanical pencil. Right. So you can put the stencil on the felt and then make your marks as to what your design is going to be with that stencil. Okay. Then we have some monogram stencils here, which you can use for the corners, for the bookmarks, and for up on top, for J for Jenny, for your eyeglass case. So we have a complete set of alphabetical stencils. Okay, yeah, they're in order there. Got that. Okay, that's cool. Now we're going to have 2.5-inch pre-punched leather squares. So that's what we would use for the corners that have leather on that side. That's cool. And then that's it. Then what we would need is some cotton thread and then embroidery needle threader, which we already have in the box that we received. Remember that gift box where we had the star box, and then we had 2 embroidery needles and a needle threader in it. We already have that. And there might be enough of that cotton thread in that other kit that we can also use for this one. It didn't do a little asterisk by the ones that, oh, it did. Right up here, additional supplies needed. It's like normally it does it individual stars, but no, we have all those, and we got the scissors as another gift. So we have received all of the supplies we need to make this cool kit. See, I love how Missouri Star does that, because they give you everything you need in order to make this project. And even some of the supplies like scissors that we've already received and another gift. So we have everything we need to make this. Isn't that fun? So this is another keeper. We'll definitely be making this. So I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of today's gift, number 22. Stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow where we will open present number 23. We're almost there, so it's happy and sad because I don't want this to end. But I enjoy every day doing this for you, and I hope you enjoy it too. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day and happy stitching. Bye-bye.